Hi to all. Good evening. Annadata Sukhi Baba, the bread giver is Sukhi Baba. We convey our sincere thanks on behalf of Amma Asara Foundation, Bhartamata, Social Service Societies, Home for the Destitute and Mentally and Physically Challenged Senior Citizens to Dr. Srimati Chandana Pal Garu, Srimati Sri Bhaskar Pal for sponsoring food for the 65 inmates of this home on 21st September 2024 on the occasion of anniversary Punyatithi of late Sri Manoranjan Pal, father of Dr. Srimati Chandana Pal, Sri Bhaskar Pal, Annadata Sukhi Bhava. Let the soul of the late Sri Manoranjan Pal rest in peace. We join the family of late Sri Manoranjan Pal, Dr. Sri PBN Gopal, Srimati Chandana Pal, Srimati Uma Pal, Sri Bhaskar Pal in there. Pray to the God Almighty to bless the family members with the 100 years of health, wealth, prosperity and longevity, and especially thanks to the Julu Pente Sargar Mariyu Kushula Magaru 365 days support to the this ashramam. God Almighty to the bless the Pentesar family members 100 years of health, wealth and prosperity and longevity. And today Bhaskar Pal and Chandana Pal together you give the alms and we receive the alms. Annadata Sukhi Bhava. Today meant for the 65 inmates of this home. Fruits, banana, sweet, mardakaja, bagara rice, chicken masala, brinjal masala, tomato dal, sambar. Annadata Sukhi Bhava. Annadata
Sukhi Bhava.
Annadata
Sukhi Bhava.
Sukhi Bhava. Sukhi Bhava.
Annadata Sukhi Bhava.
Sukhi Bhava. Sukhi Bhava.
Annadata Sukhi Bhava.